Surface area of sphere. What is a sphere? Is it the same as a circle? Yes, you can say that because a circle is a plane closed figure whose every point lies at a constant distance called radius from a fixed point, which is called the center of the circle. A given distance from a certain point, also known as the center of the circle, is called as radius. Now, if you paste a string along the diameter of a circular disc and rotate it as you had rotated the triangle in the previous section, you see a new solid. What does it resemble? A ball? Yes, it is called a sphere. The string, which had completely covered the surface area of the sphere, has been used to completely fill the regions of 4 circles, all with the same radius as of the sphere. If we divide the sphere into 2 equal parts, then we get 1 hemisphere each. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is equal to 2 multiplied by pi r square, and the total surface area of a hemisphere is equal to 3 multiplied by pi r square. For example, the hollow sphere in which the circus motorcyclist performs his stunts has a diameter of 7 meters. Find the area available to the motorcyclist for riding. Solution: diameter of the sphere is equal to 7 meters. Therefore, radius is 3.5 meters. So, the riding space available for the motorcyclist is the surface area of the sphere, which is given by 2 pi r square. By keeping the value of r, we get 154 square meters. Find the area of the Earth whose radius is 6,370 kilometers, whose radius is 6,370 kilometers, and find the area of the land if it is 30% of the total area of the Earth. It is given that radius of Earth is equal to 6,370 kilometers. Area of land is equal to 30% of the total area of the Earth. Area of the Earth is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 6,370 multiplied by 6,370 is equal to 51 crores 1,09,600 square kilometer. Area of land is equal to 51 crore 1,09,600 multiplied by 30 divided by 100 is equal to 15 crores 30 lakhs 32,880 square kilometer.